Red Bridge is a restaurant and cooking school in Hoi An, Vietnam. At the cooking school, adults and children alike participate in making a selection of traditional dishes, under the guidance of the restaurant's chefs. Over the next 3 hours, the chef and his assistant demonstrate several dishes, as well as some food decoration techniques. For many of the children, that first experience in the kitchen is a lasting one. Here they pick up valuable skills and tips and learn about the diverse culinary tastes of a different culture. At the end of the demonstrations, and when everyone has completed their dishes, your reward is to sit down at long tables and enjoy the delicious food you've created.